Hey guys, welcome back to the V family. And today we're going to be doing what's in our backpack for the beginning of the school year. So we're going to basically be showing you all of our school supplies
that are in our backpacks.
So let's get started.
First we're going to show you our backpacks.
So Heidi's being silly.
This is my backpack.
And this is mine.
Comment down below who has the better backpack.
Oh yeah, I don't think I can really see mine.
Comment down below who has the better backpack.
Annalise, which has a Roxy, and Sadie has like a beautiful flower.
Really pretty.
And very
Mine is Roxy brand, not sponsored. But it's Roxy and I really like it and it's really cute. So
just grab one thing, whatever that's in the front.
So Sayidi's gonna show you what is in her two side pockets and her bottom pocket, and then I'll show you what's in my bottom pocket. So she'll go first.
So in one of my side pockets, wait, let me put my backpack on the table. So what's in this side pocket is my blue. Oh, darkness, my old friend.
I can't reach.
Hello, it's my
so
darkness friend. So first I got my scissors.
And Heidi will be showing up close. No, so
Heidi, here.
so you don't have to like reach over.
So my blue tasty
It's like tie-dye.
tasty scissors.
It's like tie-dye.
Next
Fading
thing
in.
I have is my highlighters.
Colorful.
My colorful highlighters. So that was in this pocket. Let's put that all back in there.
You don't have much stuff on the side pockets, right?
No.
Because you still need to show your bottom.
Next thing I have is my Elmer's clear glue.
It's because we're just being fancy this year.
Clear glue. Nobody ever brings clear glue bottles to school. And then we got my 4 purple glue sticks.
4.
3.
Where's your fourth one?
There was only 3. She had
She has 4. My mom gave us
3.
3.
Okay. Well, next.
Oh, I do have 4 wood fell in the hallway.
Okay.
And then in my tiny backpack right here, well, she doesn't have side pockets. That's why I'm going again with my big
I
pocket.
have some tiny things in here, so I'll show that.
First I got my pencil topper erasers, my colorful ones. Next we have my Sentioso mini pens.
She have a original too. There was like peanut butter, strawberry.
Toasted bread.
Yeah, apples and coconut and other ice cream.
Next thing we have is my 10 colorful pencils. And then we got my color pencils and my markers. This one comes with 12, this one comes with 10.
Here's the markers.
Is that all?
Yeah,
Okay, that's all for
go
her
with this pocket. You go.
little pocket. We're basically just doing the little items. So first, the little items first. So first, I got the pencil toppers, as Heidi showed. This is one thing I have different from her. Dry erase markers, just because it was on my list and not hers. I guess her teacher will have them. And I got different colored scissors.
It also is tie-dye.
And it also is tie-dye. I think all of them were like that. I also got the Centos scented mini pens, and it says smells so good. I think these are so cute, and I think that they're gonna be super. They're gonna smell super good. Well, some.
Oh, this is not fun.
So the next tiny thing, which I have in the big pocket, is my Crayola crayons. My clear bottle of glue. I'm going faster than Saidi was just because, what is it called? Just because most of the stuff is, what is it called? The same as hers, so. And we don't want to make this video too long. So Saidi's going to show our both pouches like this. She's going to show what's in her pouch, or if she puts stuff in there.
Yeah,
She's going to show what's in there. And I'm going to
This is my pouch. Okay, so this is my binder pouch because I do have a binder. Hint, hint, wink, wink. So I have a binder and I'm going to show you what's in it.
Wink, wink.
So wait, so this is how it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Try. When they take all the stuff, you're gonna see it much better.
Yeah. So first I got my Crayola crayons.
Just like Annalise.
Then I have all my pens.
Blue, black, and red.
Yep, blue, black, and red. We're gonna take this cardboard piece out. Okay, so we put it back in.
Show them the thing. Show them the thing.
Oh, hold on. And then this is how the binder crayon pouch looks like.
Just can't get it right.
Because like, it's hard to say because it sticks in your binder too. So it's just complicated, guys. Actually, guys, comment down below if you ever have struggles like talking about your big pouches
Or
like,
just talking in general.
yeah.
Because that always happens. You're like,
I know. I just go and I just go. I can't say that word.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so
my pencil pouch.
I have much more things in my pencil pouch just because mine is a wee bit
And they're
bigger
different
and it has 2 pockets. So yeah. I also have this for my binder because that's included.
And also,
I
I
have-
have different grades, so you get
Yeah.
different stuff.
Yeah, she's in a different grade than me, so she gets different stuff.
I'm confused. Okay, I have 3 different colored pens. Black, blue, and red. And then I have my 4, which I'm just going to show you 2 right now. My 4 glue sticks like that. Colored pencils. My Crayolas colored pencils. We have some pencils that are different colored, but they don't write like that. They're actually just regular. So then we have my 2 packs of Crazy Art pencils, just for anything else. And lastly, we have my highlighters.
Are they both the same?
Yeah, we get most of the same stuff.
This year we just want to be all fancy. Okay, so while
So-
she's putting her stuff away, I'm going to show you what's in my big pocket,
All
which
of
is
it?
the last pocket. I'm going to show y'all.
It's very big.
Well, a little bit of it. Okay, so let's first show her spirals. Do you have spirals?
Do you have any composition notebooks?
I have these. I have my
Show
help.
your composition.
These are the composition. Yeah. Okay, so I got my composition notebooks, but I use one. I'm gonna use one of them for help. So this is just the extra, in case I run out of paper on this one. So this one's for help. So yes, I do take help classes. And then this one says, "Love to be a unicorn." And this is just a spare one. My mom just wanted to get me a spare one. And then I'm going to show you only these 2, only because she's still trying to put her stuff away. Oh, wait. Put them back in there.
Yeah, just show your girlfriend.
We have 150 papers, well, 2 of them,
That equals
just for school
250.
and for my binder.
push together this 300.
So I could like donate one of them to my teacher and then donate the other half to myself.
150 plus 150 is 300. So they said they just 300. Go ahead and finish it.
Oh, okay, guys, and then I want to show y'all this too because this is really like not a lot of it. So then I have my flexible watermelon roller.
Very cute, guys. Very cute. Guys,
And then I got my regular Crazy Art pencils, the regular pencils that you use at school.
I know something I should have got.
And then we got my spirals.
Just be like, I got spiral. Just show one.
I got some spirals, a lot of spirals.
Colors.
My favorite color, my favorite one is probably the blue one, because blue is my favorite color.
I got
Purple, blue, and yellow, and black. And then this is the last thing. Well, technically the last thing. Okay, so then we got these folders, my folders. Oh, there's one more.
And yellow. I'm pretty sure y'all saw that.
And then we got my 1-inch binder, which is Galaxy supposedly, and then it looks
inside it's stars.
it's like stars.
It's like if you're connecting the stars. To make
Yeah, but
something.
it's a really cute binder.
Okay, so now it's my
And that was
turn.
the last of mine.
So, what is it called? Now it's my turn to show what I got inside of mine. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna show you. First I'm gonna show you my 3 composition notebooks. this one, which says create your own magic. And then we got that one. I'm kind of go for a teal color this year if you didn't already notice and stuff. But yeah, here you go. We got that one. It's just a regular color. I just wanted to get like a cheap regular colored one. But it wasn't actually cheap. It was from an expensive. Then I got 6 spiral notebooks. So then we got 4 different colored folders: purple, red, blue, yellow. Then we got these dividers, 8 tab dividers that will also be going with my 2-inch binder.
It's also teal too.
Yeah, it's also teal too, if you didn't notice. Then we got 2 packets of paper.
Different colors.
Yeah. So that's basically all we've got today. Hopefully we'll start making more vlog Sundays and making more videos. Comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make, because we kind of don't know what we want to make because we want to entertain you. To entertain you, we want to know what you want. So
Also, comment down below whose backpack and whose school supplies do you like the best.
even though we
And
can't have
also,
the
give it a
Big thumbs up. Smash it right in the face and click that subscribe button and click the bell. Peace out. Bye.